Friends, you are most welcome for these videos. Student, today's class is for class 12th, subject economics, macroeconomics, chapter number 2. Chapter name is National Income and Related Aggregate. Student, this is third video of this chapter. In this video, we shall read about the nominal and real GDP. Nominal and real GDP. Students, this is very important topic for the national income. GDP may be estimated at current price or constant price. Estimation of GDP at current price is called nominal GDP, while that at constant price is called real GDP. Following as the brief descriptions, students, these estimations first start nominal GDP. What do you mean about the nominal GDP? Let us look at the definition of nominal GDP. Students, GDP at current prices is the market values of the final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country during an accounting year. Students, once again, GDP is current prices. GDP at current prices in the market values of the final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country during an accounting year. Students, when the GDP measure at the current year price, that called the nominal GDP. When the GDP measure at the current price of the commodities, current price of the measure, that called the nominal GDP. As estimated using the current year price are the price prevailing during the year of estimation. Means those years the price measure by the government as like a formula. Nominal GDP is equal to, let us look at the formula how can convert in the nominal GDP. Nominal GDP is equal to Q into P. Here Q into P. Here Q is equal to quantity of final goods, and services and accounting year and P is equal to prices prevailing during the accounting years. So this make a formula. Nominal GDP is equal to Q into P. Here indicate Q to quantitative of the final goods and services and accounting years. Means those in the current years, current time, use the quantity of the final goods and services in an accounting years during an accounting years. And P means decided to price by the government to the prevailings during the an accounting years. So that is make a formula nominal GDP equal to PQ into P. The above equations shows that GDP can increase when there is increase the either Q or P. Means that is the indicate that when the P increase, then nominal GDP also increased. When Q will be increased, then nominal GDP also increase. Means nominal GDP depend on the quantity of the final goods and services and prices. So if it is increase owning the increase, and on the other hands, if the increase all the earnings in the P, Q, so that is the called the monetary increase in GDP. And monetary increase in GDP without any increase in the quantum and output is of on significance. It does not cause any increase in the flow of goods and services in the economy. It only causes money illusions, the illusions of a higher market value of disposable income. I mean, this is the main helpful to the increase or the incomes country of the country's income. Students, now look at the real GDP. Real GDP. GDP constant prices is the market value of the final market value of the final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country during an accounting years. During an accounting year. Students, as estimated using the base year prices. This real GDP used to base year like any years taken. Suppose that 2009, 2007, 2008, 2005 or 2000. This is depend of the base year, and this is the depend on the current years. That is very different between the main different. It is current year depend on the price, and real GDP depend on the base year price. Students, this is formula. Real GDP is equal to real GDP is equal to Q into P. There also P, but there P, this P indicate to the price prevailing during the base year, not current year. This is depend on the current years, and this is the only base year. It is different mean. Here, let us look at the full form. Let us Q is equal to quantity of final goods and services, final goods and services produced within an accounting year, and P is equal to P as a star, P is equal to price prevailing during the base year. Main different here. One nominal GDP depend on the current year's price, and real GDP depend on the base year price. Formula is same. Q is equal to P, and real GDP also P into Q. But this P indicate to the base year price, and this P indicate to current year price. Let us as a now let us look at the how can conversion real GDP to nominal GDP and nominal GDP to real GDP. So real GDP the formula, let us look at the formula. Real GDP or GDP at current prices is equal to GDP at current price into 100 by current price index. Students, and as look at the formula is this chapter, this formula in the one glance, nominal GDP is equal to real GDP into price index upon 100. This is the main formula. As a conversion to real GDP to nominal GDP and nominal GDP to real GDP. Let us look at the example. Suppose that find nominal GDP if real GDP is equal to 240 and price index is equal to 120. Suppose that it's questions. Suppose that find nominal GDP. Nominal GDP find if given the real GDP is equal to 240 and price index 120. Now let us the formalization of this question. Nominal GDP is equal to GDP is equal to real GDP into price index upon hundreds. Students, real GDP is equal to given the 240 and price index given the 120 upon hundreds. Okay, now 0 0 ends 0 by 288 in the multiply the 24 into 12, so that is the answer will be 288. So the answer is also nominal GDP is equal to 288. Nominal GDP will be 288. So that is the answer. Students, in this video you will read you have read to what is the definition of the real GDP and nominal GDP. Once again, nominal GDP depend on the current price basis and real GDP depend to the base price years. And what difference between nominal GDP, real GDP, and how can formalizations of the nominal GDP and real GDP, and one example also. Students, you will do at the home some related question. It is very important because maximum question given in the books, in the NCERT question, this is also as a NCERT question, and 1 marks 2 marks question maybe come in the examinations. So you will do the question answer at the home, practice you will do the practice at the home this type questions. Okay, thank you.